Okay, I'm at 4215, and we got standing water all up in the patio. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up out of here real quick. I'll go ahead and get the next two building houses and get this water up out of their walkway. And I'll show you the results afterwards. Again, this is something that management should be doing. Okay. Quick question, my sister. Do y'all have any water running into y'all place? Okay. Y'all don't have no water running into your walkway, do you? Okay. Uh-huh. Alright, so checking with the tenants. As I go ahead and try to clean this up. This is crazy. Alright, this is where I cleaned the ravine the other day, but I cannot find my tapes. It was at home and it was not on my video, but I cleaned this ravine on Friday. And I got all of the water out in front of these people's houses. Okay, got all the water out in front of her house. All the water that was standing there. And I cleaned the ravine and got all the dirt out of the ravine so the water could flow. And didn't have a chance.